Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Motorists will be paying more for gas starting tomorrow, an increase of $2.93, but the ex-refinery prices remain 10% lower than at the start of the year. Automotive and ultra-low sulfur diesel will increase by $3.06, kerosene up by 25 cents. The price of propane has increased by 56 cents, while butane will cost $1.36 more. Oil futures gained on Wednesday, lifting prices to their highest finish since March, signs of improved demand. Oil for delivery in August inched up by 28 cents to settle at $40.90 per barrel. Small businesses are being told to get their financials in order before they are unable to pay their bills. The advice comes at a time when many companies are struggling with revenue losses due to COVID-19 induced economic fallout. Andrew Laidley reports.
In 2014, Jamaica passed the Insolvency Act, which is expected to rescue companies from creditors and bankruptcy. Legislators say the act is more favorable to borrowers while ensuring that creditors get what they are owed. The act is back in the spotlight now as many companies are struggling to stay afloat due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Former president of the private sector organization of Jamaica, Howard Mitchell, says some of these companies can lean on the Insolvency Act for help, but he notes that they must get their financial house in order before going that route.
We don't get our record keeping right. We are a verbal or an oral society. We don't write things down. In order to be able to save yourself in the eventuality of a working capital deficit or insolvency, you must have record keeping. You must know who owes you. You must know who you owe. You must know what you say to your inventories. And that is, by the way, how people can assist you, how people can help you get out of the issue.
Attorney Hilary Reid agrees. She says a clear understanding of the company's financial record increases the chances of reaching an agreement with the lender.
It is going to be important to kind of assess, is it going to be likely that I am going to be able to put together an arrangement that my creditors will accept? Because if it is that your creditors are unwilling to accept the arrangement and you venture down this avenue, what will result is that you will end up in bankruptcy. If it is that your creditors are not on board, if your creditors do not have confidence.
As for those who are already bankrupt, Ms. Reid says all hope is not lost.
Even if you are bankrupt, you can use the proposal mechanism, and if you're able at that point to make that arrangement with your creditors, you can come out of bankruptcy.
Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $142.18, the Canadian dollar $107.81. The pound is going for $179.70, while the euro sold for $161.51. To the stock market now, the JSE index lost 143 points today, while the junior market index gained 8 points. Among the winners, Productive Business Solutions US dollar shares, Siboney Group, Pulse Investments, SSL Venture Capital, and Cargo Handlers. On the losing side were Carbon Flavors and Fragrances, Everything Fresh, Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, Carbon Assurance Brokers, and 138 Student Living. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.